going on YouTube? So, do you want free rides and free Uber coupon codes? I'm going to be showing you today how to get a Uber promo code that's going to credit you $100 to spend in the app. Alternatively, you can even get free rides. So this method takes just a few minutes using your mobile phone. I'm dressed like this because Uber are going to hate me for this, and I want to keep my channel alive. So I'm going to head over to my desk and get into the tutorial. So make sure you follow the instructions carefully, and let's get you that free Uber promo code. So let's get into the tutorial on how you can go ahead and get your very own promo codes for Uber. So grab your mobile device, guys, and open up your internet browser. You need to go ahead to the following website, www.hotshotcodes.com. So pause the video, grab that domain, and go directly to this website. Now, when you reach the website, guys, we need to look for the Uber page. So you just need to scroll down and look for it. So I'm just scrolling here looking for Uber, and here we go. Uber promo codes. Save big money on your next booking. So let's press this page. This has been rated by verified users, and it's over 800 ratings thus far. Saving tips, calculate what works out better for you, free credit or free rides. So basically, guys, like I said, there is two codes here. A $100 credit towards your next booking. So this will add $100 to your account, and you can spend it however you wish. Or there is a free 3 rides for free code. So you just have to work out basically which one's going to be more beneficial for you. If your rides are super expensive, this one will be good. If they're usually cheap, you can obviously grab this one, and this will do more than 3 rides. But I'm going to go ahead and click on show coupon code for this $100 credit code. So you can see this is a $100 off Uber coupon code, and it's blocked out the code here, so we just need to press unlock. Now this is basically searching the database for a unused coupon code for you. So just give it a few seconds. Okay, so if you come across this page, that's a good sign. That means there are Uber promo codes that have been unused and you can use one. So this verifies you're not a robot. So basically, guys, we just have to complete 2 of these tasks here. They're surveys and applications. So you just need to complete 2 of them. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this one, for example, and just answer whatever questions. This is like a survey, and I've got to input my email address. So give me a couple of minutes, guys. I'm going to go ahead, complete 2 of these off camera, and just input my information. So yeah, give me a couple of minutes and I'll finish these off, and we'll be back and see if it gives me the code. Guys, so like I said, I just finished both of these surveys, making sure you fully complete them, guys, because if you don't and try and skip some steps, then it's probably not going to work. You need to complete 2 of these fully. If it hasn't worked after 2, do a 3rd, then maybe a glitch. However, it usually works after 2. So once you've done that, you press your tab internet button, wherever that is on whatever device you use, and you're going to notice a new tab has opened up, and it is your code. So all I have to do now is make a note of this, either just copy and paste it or write it down on a notepad, and when I enter this into the promotions section on the Uber app, it's going to give me $100, or for me, you can hear I'm in the UK, so it's going to be around 80 Great British pounds. These codes work worldwide, so anyone can do this, and that is how easy it is to get your Uber promo codes, guys. So yep, follow the instructions, go to www.hotshotcodes.com and get your Uber promo codes. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.